trying to use this application, let me tell you, I don't think this AI application is really worth to use because there's just too much ads to use this AI application. It's crazy. Anyways, once you do open the application, you'll be greeted with a lot of ads. All of you just press swipe across. Once you have done all of that, you may just go through all of the ads. Then you'll be at the final step where it either says begin or continue. Just tap on the continue option and you'll be still greeted with a lot of ads, guys. So do keep that in mind. If you hate ads, then this application won't be for you. So once ads is finished, I'll tap on that option and tap on the X. And as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. And let me tell you, it has a lot of ads. These features do work, but you're gonna have to watch a lot of ads to try out these features. All you have to do is pretty much upload a photo of yourself or a photo of a couple and you pretty much get these features. But is it really worth using this application? The quality is not very good, I would say the least, and it's very easy to use. All you have to just select whichever option you're going to watch an ad after you select any one of these options here, and once you've done that, it will pretty much load up the option for you to upload your photo. And as you can see here in the history section, if I do tap on the history section, pretty much will be greeted with the ads as well. Pretty much anything that you select on this application here, you'll be greeted with an ads. However, I can tell you that you can get the pro subscription at top here and you'll be able to remove the ads off this application. Probably then it will be as much use as it should be. It's a very good application, but it has too much ads. But overall, this is pretty much the section here where you can get these pro subscription. Do keep in mind, if you do not like ads, then this application is not for you. But regardless, still a great application which you can test out and let me know in the comment section if you do like it. Anyways, see you in the next one.